Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update on my Louis Vuitton little bag here. Like I said, I don't know if this is like a replica bag or not. It's really hard for me to tell personally. It's possible it could be real. But anyways, I cleaned it up and I got those stains off. Yay! So like those little makeup, it was basically makeup that was like right here. So yeah, that's all gone. The only thing I did notice is that there's just a little bit of damage to the bag if you turn it this way. Nope, it's this way. So you can barely see it on camera here, but that spot, and it's really tiny, but they look like scratches, like something banged against it. Other than that, it's in a very good shape. The interior, like I said, I'll show it to you again. This is leather. So you can see like the little leather pores in there. It's like the Dooney and Burke Florentine satchels. The only thing is it's pretty dirty in here, fairly dirty, a little bit of makeup stains, and I want to see what I can do with that. It would be cool to get it professionally relined. I'm almost tempted to try to put in my own lining in there on top of it, but I don't know. That's kind of pushing it, but like it just smells, like it has that smell, of another person that owned it. That's kind of like what I've noticed even with buying stuff on the secondary market. They tend to smell like, just like a person, like you're like, oh, you've seen bags like that, right? Where it just has a weird smell that you can't describe. But other than that, I'm okay with that because I've just really wanted this for so long. Like I said, I've always seen it in that antique mall that I love so much for so long, and I just really had to get it because it was so cute. And I could always put it on display shelf. So, yep, that's my update, and she's looking great. As you can see, no more stains. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe.